Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView chart tools. First, locate the Drawing Tools menu on the left side of your screen. This menu contains everything you need for technical analysis. Click on an icon to select a tool, then click and drag on your chart to apply it. Understanding these basic steps is crucial for an easy method to start enhancing your trading view and analysis. Let's dive into some essential drawing tools. Trend lines help you visualize market direction. Simply click and drag between 2 points. Horizontal lines are perfect for marking key price levels. For more advanced analysis, try Fibonacci retracements by selecting the tool and dragging from a swing low to a swing high. These tools are fundamental for any chart analysis. Customizing your chart can significantly improve your experience. You can change the chart type, like from candlesticks to a line chart, using the top menu. Personalize colors for candles, backgrounds, and lines in the chart settings. Don't forget to save your layouts so you can quickly return to your preferred setup. Adding indicators from the Indicators button provides extra analytical layers. To truly master TradingView, explore its advanced features. Switch between different time frames, from 1 minute to 1 month, to get a broader perspective. The replay function is excellent for backtesting your strategies without live market pressure. Consistent practice is key to becoming proficient with all the tools. Remember, the TradingView community is a great resource for learning and sharing ideas.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.